guys, so this is our brand new YouTube channel. We have specifically made this channel for the purpose of spreading information which I must say that will be beneficial for all of you up to an extent. So guys, we have made this video with the help of some dramatical scenario which I must say that all of you will enjoy it. So friends, let's start the video without wasting the time. Go.
Hello friends, welcome to our brand new tutorial talk. I would like to invite our today guest Sonipur, who is the ex-head boy of Cambridge School.
Thank you very much Ash for having me on your show. Even I'm feeling glad to be here.
So Sony, my question to you is that why every student pursue IELTS after the 12th standard?
Have you heard guys? Arshas asked me that why every student pursue IELTS after 12. And it is an ironical fact that he has to pursue IELTS as his profession right now. So okay, even then, I would like to answer this question for sure. Yeah, I am to agree with you Arsh that every student pursue IELTS after their 12th, after the accomplishment of their 12th. The ultimate reason is because they give up. They don't want to study further. And the mentality is like that after 12th they are unable to do something while living in India. That's why they prefer migrating. They are thinking that in foreign countries they will get a different quality of life, a good quality of life, which is true up to an extent, which is true. But if we are talking about that you are saying that only for 3 years you will find a complexities while living outside, while living in foreign country, then it is wrong. The complexities, the difficulties will remain with you forever. You are unable to combat with them. For living here, you have to work like labor. Because in India actually, not even a single ambassador is allowed to enter into a material contract. They cannot buy land here. They cannot be at a senior designation in some particular field. So why we are expecting that in foreign countries we will get a good designations, a good jobs? They will treat us as labor only, and this is the ultimate motive of them. We are unable to combat this situation. The thing which I must say that one survey was conducted, and the survey stated that near about 20,000 jobs are available in Punjab specifically, but nobody is pursuing them. The reason is that people don't want to go for it. People just want to say that up to 12th they are satisfied with the study, they don't want to continue with it, and so they used to migrate. So my opinion is for sure that migration is not at all the solution. Migration is not at all the solution because you will get permanently separated from your motherland, which I am not at all going to do. This is very wrong. If something is affecting you mentally, I will not at all consider it as one of the best decisions of yours. We living in India, we living to your parents, we living to your siblings, and we enjoying the functions in your relatives and all. I think that is the best life, and one should enjoy it. So I must say in the last that migration is not the solution of the problem. One must have passion, one must have confidence to do something so that they will able to achieve whatever they will desire. So instead of migrating, it's better to do hard work, and it's better that you will get your success by your own. So that's it. This is over.